what do you need to make a decision on right now? What does that decision look like? Do you need to go out and knock doors right now? What's holding you back from getting customers? Overcomers, what's happening? It's your boy John, and we are out here at another site brought to you live by Big Jose, doing a nice large commercial property. You see he's going all the way to the top right here with his water-fed pole, also with this scissor lift. You got 2-in-1, best in the world at water-fed pole work when it comes to window cleaning. We also do pressure washing and some other things, construction cleanup. But how do you dominate a sector? How do you dominate an area? Okay, let's just say you want to get into window cleaning and you want to get a lot of large commercial contracts. You want to be doing big projects. You want to do things that are big rather than small. Well, first and foremost, what you need to do is you need to make a conscious decision. Okay, what's that conscious decision look like? Are you right now depending upon small projects, and so you're becoming a victim of your job, you're becoming a victim of your business? So every day your business is counting on you to go out there and get 60 projects a month just so you can bring in $10,000 in revenue? Or are you being smart about it? Okay, I don't want you to be dumb about this. Now, I'm not saying you're dumb, because in my first 10 months in business, I was not doing projects like this, okay? But what I want you to understand is me doing 10 months of small properties, doing small commercial, doing projects that weren't big. It didn't really matter. It didn't make a difference. It wasn't a matter of, okay, I need to start with small and then work my way up. That's how everybody thinks, okay? Everybody thinks that they need to start small, okay? They need to start small and then they need to work their way up. Okay, but that's not you, my friend. If you're a service contractor, you got in business so you can make money, first and foremost, but so you can provide for your family, your loved ones. You're a man or a woman, and you have responsibilities. And those responsibilities entail paying your bills, making sure your employees are happy, and building a big enough business so everybody can benefit, whether it's your wife, it's your children, it's your employees, it's your friends, it's your family. And so when you adopt this mindset of it is your duty to show up and make this happen, to get these contracts like this one, okay? When it becomes your duty and it's no longer an option, it's no longer an option of, should I be doing this, okay? Or it's a contemplation in your head. You're thinking to yourself, you know what? Do I want to do this today? Should I show up today? Should I go knock doors today? Should I make phone calls today? That shouldn't even, you should not be having this discussion in your head. If you are committed to the cause, if you are committed to your business 100% wholeheartedly, okay, this will not be a discussion. It will no longer be a discussion of if I should get this done. It will be a matter of when should I get this done? Should I do this tomorrow? Should I do this the next day? So what do you need to make a decision on right now? What does that decision look like? Do you need to go out and knock doors right now? What's holding you back from getting customers? Or are you just waiting for the next phone call for somebody to say, oh, hey, I found you on Thumbtack, or I found you on Home Advisor, and I would like to get a quote? Is that what you're doing? Are you waiting for the next phone call still? Or are you gonna just jump up there like Big Hose, okay? We call him Big Jose, and get to work. You're gonna be like this guy and just make it happen? Or are you gonna keep sitting on the sidelines waiting for things to happen, okay? People aren't gonna call you all the time, okay? People are not going to call you all the time, okay? Do you wanna do big projects like this one? This is what Jose's working on. We're getting this whole project done, okay? This whole thing. You can see how the magnitude of this project, it's huge, okay? This is a big, big commercial contract. Do you wanna be doing projects like this? Or do you want to be doing projects like the small ones that you're doing? And as a matter of fact, that's not even the problem. Even if you had a lot of small projects and you're making money, I will never offend somebody's work ethic and their hustle. If you're making money with small projects, great, I'm proud of you. But what we need to have a discussion about is, are you getting up off your ass to go get your money? Or are you waiting for people to contact you and call you, okay? Are you waiting for them to call you and say, hey, I want to do business with you today. Hey, let's schedule that appointment. Hey, let's go ahead and do the deal. Send me a proposal. Or are you just showing up? Are you just showing up and knocking on their door? Are you showing up in their face? Are you showing up on a call? That's what it takes. Okay, that's what it takes. You know what it doesn't take though? It doesn't take you coming up with excuses in your business of other little tedious tasks that you need to do, like creating business cards or creating hats. Okay, I didn't have hats for 2 years. I made hats 2 years later. I had already done $400,000 in revenue in a year before I even made hats. And so does it really matter about making hats? Does it matter about a website? Does it matter about an advertising campaign or a Yelp page or Thumbtack or any of these things? Now, sure, you can get yourself a top-rated profile for Home Advisor or Thumbtack or something of this nature, but that doesn't mean you're going to be able to build a business. That just means you bought yourself a job. You figured out how to trick the system so you can work for yourself, and you bought yourself a job. You want to be a job purchaser, or do you want to be a business owner? Which one is it? Or do you want to be an entrepreneur? I see on your title, it says entrepreneur, okay? Entrepreneurs don't buy themselves jobs, okay? They create opportunities. They take their capital and they put it at risk to create opportunities. Now, is that you? I want that to be you, okay? I've had a few people come through my program just like you that are waiting for projects, but they want more for their family and their loved ones. They want to be able to take their business and their life to the next level, but they just haven't had the opportunity yet. And it's because they don't know how to do the skill set of going out there and making sure that they're in front of the right people. You want to do large commercial contracts like Jose, you want to get up there on the scissor lift and get the water fed pole going. The whole city knows you. Everyone's watching you, looking at you like, whoa, what's this guy doing, man? He's got a pole that's going 80 feet in the air and then he's 40 feet elevated off the ground. You want to do stuff like that? Well, you know what it doesn't take? It doesn't take building business cards, and it doesn't take making hats, and it doesn't take Home Advisor, it doesn't take a website, it doesn't take Yelp, it doesn't take none of that. It takes showing up, doing the job, getting in front of the right person, building the right relationship. And if you want to know how to do that, I'd love to help you. We can go ahead and schedule a call. Okay, we can have a 30-minute talk, me and you, man to man. We could talk about your business. We could talk about what's going on. And we could talk about how can you get into large commercial contracts like this one. Click the link below. It should be down in the description. I'm gonna hook you up. I'll have Ian add that for you, okay? My office manager. But at the end of the day, what you need to do is keep showing up. Yes, it did. It did. It's actually one of the chief engineers for the site at Dream. Is that right? Chief engineer. That's right. All right, cool.
Can you return that to the office?
Yeah, I put it in the bag because I'm gonna turn it off and then I'll drop it off right after. You got it, brother. So that was one of the chief engineers, actually. That was one of the people that was in charge of this hotel. Just one of them. Looks like this guy's gonna need me. He needs my help right now. But look, it doesn't take that. So if you wanna schedule the call and you wanna get and talk to me and you wanna be able to take your business and your life to the next level, jump on the call, click the link below. We'll go ahead and jump on a call. But I gotta get back to it. This guy needs me. He needs some advice on how he can get in this thing. He's got a thick ass ledge in there. But look, I want to help you. I want to help you in 2020. I want to help you take your business to the next level. And the way we're going to do that, I know exactly how to do that. We just got to talk. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon.